So just a kind of a sample of some of the stuff here I got installed. Obviously, I'm still working on the helmet. I just finished the lenses and some of the other things inside, and eventually I got to go back and complete everything else. But anyways, to start off, I got the hearing assist system here. Here's the one side, and here's the other side, and this will amplify your left and right audio or whatever is around you when you're trooping. And those go to headphones or that I have installed, and these are just some cheap $10, $15 headphones I bought a while back that I took apart. I'm gonna go in and install them a little bit nicer, put some padding, make it cleaned up. This is just kind of a temporary to get it in here and make sure everything is working correctly. But you got your right side here with a right headphone, so anything on this side is going to go through this side, and anything on your left side is going to go through this side. So it is stereo, you don't have a mono system here. And that runs into this dual system here I got. Now, this system, it's kind of hard to test that, obviously, or show you guys. So I'm going to just move along to the mic tips, which are here, and I'll turn those on for you. And hopefully I don't get any feedback with this. I don't have that mic installed, one for showing you guys, and two because I like to put a mask inside here to kind of block some of the feedback. But here's the testing.
Test 1 2. Test 1 2.
Now that's just one of these cheaper mics. Higher quality mics, it's going to be better,
But it's relatively loud, and that's about halfway up right there. So not bad.
and I don't have any other ones that I can show you what they look like, but I can show you the inside here. Let's turn that off so I don't get any feedback. They just kind of run in like normal mic tips, and you got the wire for the audio and the normal screw to hold them in. And those will run over here to this junction cable here that's got your left and right side splitter that runs into a normal 3.5 inch or 3.5 millimeter connection here. You can't really see it, but it's just a normal stereo connection that you just can plug in on the top here. There you go, and that's back in there. And all that is all stereo, so you don't have to worry about anything that's mono. And the next thing we got down here is that splits into my fan systems here. You got your two fans that I have installed, and those run to a switch. They're separate. They run out the same power supply, but the fans use the switch, and the other one just goes direct. And right here's the splitter. Just I left a lot of my connections open so you can see kind of how it works. And that runs to a dual power splitter here. So if I wanted to run two power banks, I could. One here, and I only have one hooked up right now. And it's just tucked in right there. But you can run 2 or 3 or however many you want to run in there. I've done 3 at a time before and tested it, and it worked fine. Just a side note that this is a 1 amp, 2600 milliamp power bank, or milliamp hour power bank. You get them for about $5 on Amazon or eBay, but stick with the 1 amps because this system here is only good for a 1 amp. If you use a 2 or 3 amp, it'll shut off after like 5 or 10 seconds of use, just to keep it from burning out. So that's just kind of a side note on that, but that's it.